So good evening everyone. So we are going to demonstrate the application that we made in what we call the ebook application, which is called named the BeyondSight. So this app was made for visually impaired individuals, and the purpose of this is to have a special functionality where the app was created to support this type of users. It is not just for visually impaired, but it is open for everyone.
My name is Oren, and I'm gonna demonstrate the ebook application which is named BeyondSight. So let's get started. So here is our login page. You can type your username here and your password. So if you don't have an account, you can sign up and type whatever you like. Say mo ganahan nga username, then password, then confirm password. So if you have already an account, just click here and then log in. So here is our ano, front page.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Regent Keith Bigagata, and today I'm going to demonstrate the homepage as well as the profile page. So here you can see the list of books following the categories like business or finances, as well as communication skills, programming books. So here you can swipe if you're looking for something book that you like to read, just like that. Here, that. So as here. So now let's let's click one of those books. For example, like The Laws of Human Nature by Robert Greene. So as soon as you click this book, you will be directed in this page, which is the description of the laws of human nature. So here you can see the description. So as you can see here, we provide a dummy text for the lorem ipsum. It's just the examples of the description about this book. And now, if you want to read the book, you just can just click it, and there you have it. And as soon as you click that, you'll be directed here in the book of contents. And if you want to go back after you're reading or done reading about this book, you can just you can see this icon right here or the back portion. So here you can click that and you will be go back here. Same as here. You will be go like that here. So it is the same content for every books. It's like that. Here. So now let's go to profile page. So if you want to go back, if you want to go or navigate to profile page, you can see the icon right here from above. Just click it and you will be directed here. So here you can see the net of patients, choose the about or the reading list about your what you're reading. Everything you read will be put it down here or listed. That. So as well as you can tap or to add the informations about yourself. And here you can see the numbers such as the reading list. About this It is how many books that you're reading so far, and it will be counted. And here the followers or social interactions. So here you can see also the sample username as well as the Gmail. So here it will be displayed the Gmail of what you are using for in what I've mentioned earlier from login page. So if you want to edit the profile page, you can see here the icon of edit. If you want to edit it, just click it. Just click that. So here you can see everything that you needed to edit your profile page.
So moving on to the settings. So so at first glance, so the settings screen presents a clean vertically stacked list of options. The prominent back arrow and label are immediately visible, serving as a universal sign for navigation. This clarity in navigation is the first step towards an accessible design, as it ensures all users, regardless of visual ability, can understand how to move through the interface. So notice the consistent patterns for actionable items, like each setting is a tappable arrow icons next to many items are strong affordances. They visually communicate that tapping will lead to another screen. So here the typography is clean and legible, which is a baseline for accessibility. But what truly stands out is here the colorblind mode. This is a direct acknowledgement of diverse user needs and a proactive step towards inclusivity. So this UI maintains a high degree of consistency in its layout, spacing, and visual elements. Every category header, every actionable item business arrow, and the dividing lines are uniform. Consistency directly translates to predictability for all users, but particularly for visually impaired users. Once a screen reader user learns the pattern of interaction for one setting, they can confidently navigate the rest of the menu. This predictability reduces the cognitive burden, builds trust in the interface, and allows users to complete tasks more efficiently without constantly reorienting themselves or second guessing the system's behavior. And finally, we have the clear logout option and the to and prominent back control for to reinforce user control. So moving on to the uh, profile settings. So if we user as tap on profile account for the user, this takes them to the screen. The profile section of the screen introduces. So in this page, this screen introduces. Huh? So here it introduces different types of input and display elements, offering new insights into the app and its commitment to accessibility. So immediately we see a consistent navigation pattern with the back arrow again and at the top, reassuring the users they can easily return. Below that, an informational message that says the information you enter here will be visible to other users. Provides important context. This proactive communication is a hallmark of good HCI. Here, uh, the, the screen presents two distinct sections, profile and social network. Under profile, we have profile picture and background picture. So both indicating that states tap to change. So it states that and above below and it clearly states the current state For about and the full name and pronouns, we see the current value displayed alongside the pencil icon. Visually impaired users, the combination of a clear label, descriptive action, and a recognizable light icon provides rich context to screen readers. So here, the pencil icon uh, text next to editable text field is a universal affordance that clearly indicates the editability. So the screen readers would ideally announce this as full name and user editable text field. So this explicit verbalization is crucial for understanding the interface without visual cues. So here at the social network, it highlights the app's integration with external services like Google and Facebook. Instead of asking for complex API or manual linking processes, it states here that connect to your Google account or connect to your Facebook account. So this approach promotes simplicity for users, especially visually impaired users. Complex multi-step authentication processes can be incredibly frustrating by offering a direct connect option. The app aims to leverage the established authentication flows of Google and Facebook, which are often highly optimized for accessibility, thereby simplifying a potentially difficult task.
Afternoon everyone, I am Mike Bentoy and I will be demonstrating the library and the publish navigation for our prototype called BeyondSight. I will be also explaining later on the components that we've used and I've made in our prototype. So first, let's go to the library section. Here makita nimo ang mga books na gi-download para ma-available siya offline so that the reader can access it anytime even if they don't have data. They can also navigate to their archives and their bookmarks. Next will be the publish menu. Here the user can create or make their own book. But for now, since the user just made the account, it has no published book yet. So what they'll do is they have the option to create. So by clicking this, they'll be redirected to the book info, which or where they can add a book cover. They can create their book title and choose to have a description about it. After filling up this right here, they can click the next button, and here's an example of a book or a story that was created by the user. After that, once the user is satisfied with their story, they can click this publish button right here. That will show a notification that their book has been published. So let's go back to our process. So this is how our process looks like. We have organized it based on the navigation. So you can see the search menu, the library, the publish menu, the settings page, and the profile page. So we also have another page here, which is the component. So the purpose of this component is to maintain the consistency of the design. So in terms of programming, a component is something like a method or a function where the user or the developers can call it by clicking these assets buttons right here and these components that created in the file. They can choose to simply put it on each frames. So what's good about component is that once the user, or if the user wants to change something in the component, it will affect the pages where the users has put it the component. For example, if we change this something like name, let's save it, it will automatically change it in this part. So this one did not change because this is another type of component, and that happens also to another components. When we try to change something, it'll automatically change it. So that's all of my part. Thank you.